Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream without a hand mixer. First, grab a clean, cold jar with a tight-fitting lid. Add 1 cup of very cold heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Secure the lid tightly and shake it vigorously for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice the cream thickening as you shake, transforming into delicious whipped cream. It's a simple and fun way to get fluffy results. Another effective method involves a whisk and a bowl. For best results, chill a large mixing bowl and your whisk in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. Once chilled, pour 1 cup of cold heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar into the bowl. Whisk continuously and energetically, using a figure-8 motion. Keep whisking until the cream forms soft, fluffy peaks, which usually takes about 5 to 8 minutes of effort. If you have an immersion blender, this method is incredibly fast. Choose a tall, narrow container that fits the blender head snugly. Add 1 cup of cold heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of your preferred sweetener, like granulated or powdered sugar. Insert the immersion blender and start on a low speed, gradually increasing it. Blend until the cream reaches your desired consistency, usually within 1 to 2 minutes. Be careful not to overblend. For the best whipped cream, always ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator. This helps it whip up faster and hold its shape better. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. It's perfect for topping desserts or coffee. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.